in this video, I'll be showing you how to get user input. So let's start off by adding a character and then create a variable saying user input. Variable type integer, and let's have a temporary initializer. Over here, functions, get integer from user. Give me a number. I use get integer from user in this case because my variable is an integer. And let's say if, because we learned if in our before video, I'll use if. If user input equals to, then the character is going to say you guess my number. You guess my number. Else it's gonna say sorry, your number is wrong in this case. Then now let's test this. Okay, we guess his number, as you can see. What if we don't guess his number? 3. Sorry, your number's wrong. As you can see, this is working. What if you want that person to be asking number until you get the right number? In this case, I'll show you how to use a while loop. While loop is used when you want a statement to run again and again and not autonomously. And let's have this in here. Okay, and then now let's run it. As you can see, 3, sorry, your number is wrong. It's gonna ask me again. 2, you guessed my number. What if we guess our number, but it's the person still asking us? So once we guess his number, he shouldn't ask us anymore. And in order to do that, you have to do these steps. First, start off by adding 2 variables. var1 or check1, integer, assign 1 value. Create another variable. Check2, integer. Let's have this 2. And then while, right here, we're gonna have if whole number is not equal to check1, check2, the thing is gonna run. If it's true, then we have to drag in a assign statement, and we have to have one of our values to be equal. So in this case, I'm gonna have check2 equals 1. And let's run this now. So 3 is wrong, it's gonna run again. 4, it's wrong, it's gonna run again. But if I say 2, the program is gonna stop. Why? Because over here we have check1 is 1 and check2 is 2. And over here we said that if check2 is not equal to if check1 is not equal to check2, then the while loop is gonna run. If we get this correct, then the check2, which is this value, will be assigned 1 now. So instead of 2, it's gonna be 1. And 1 is equal to 1. It's not equal. 1 is equal to 1. And because 1 is equal to 1, or check1 is equal to check2, this while loop is not gonna run. And it's gonna go to the next statement. It's gonna skip this and say hello. And let's see if this is working. 3, it's not gonna work. 2, guess my number, hello. And disregards this loop now. And that's how you use a while loop and get user input in Alice. I hope this video helped you.